Twine coming to you from the Serial Entrepreneur, and I'm going to show you what it's like to really run a multi-million-dollar company. So the hoses, this flooring, why is it sitting here? Did we not have a dumpster? Okay. So the first thing I do before I even move on is I'd be on the phone with Uriel and say, Uriel, you cannot leave the job site like this. So if I'm a homeowner, I would probably be upset about this. I mean, it's our job to make sure we stay like this. There's holes in the carpet, so immediately you should put duct tape on it. You don't have something to go on your list. Hey Uriel. Hey, I'm at the Scott job right now just because they've been complaining to me, and we can't leave the job looking like this. You know, if the hoses, you're done with them, you got to get them back to the shop. There's lights, there's brooms, there's bags of garbage in the house from the dumpsters outside. There's a floor that's partially ripped up. We got to leave the job site clean every time when people live in these buildings because it makes them want to fire me.